Hey guys, I'm Janelle and today I'm going to show you 4 ways to layer your mascara using the L'Oreal Paradise Big Deal Mascara. Let's get started. The 4 looks I'm going to be showing is a flare lash, bare lash, classic lash, and a bold lash. We're first going to start with the flare. For the flare lash, I'm going to be taking the mascara right down the midway point of my eye and just putting it on the ends of my lashes outward. So I'm just going to take the mascara, start at the bottom of my lashes, and just gently comb them up, just on half your lashes on the outside. And then I like to take the tip of the brush and just pull it on a slant, just outward. See how that just lightly lifts the eye? So it just gives you that nice doll-like effect. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side and just wiggling the brush upwards and then out. And then I like to just touch the tips and then push them back up. And look how much that lifted the eye. So this is my favorite one. This is the flare. So now we're just going to go ahead and do the bare. I'm just going to lightly touch the mascara on those inner lashes that we missed while we were doing the flare. So as you can see now, the eye looks more full. You get all that definition. It's lighter here and you just get it on the outward side. So this kind of opens up the eye completely instead of giving the more sleepy bedroom eye. So this is the bare style for mascara. Like I said, it just opens up the whole top part of the eye. I really like how awake it makes you look. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the classic. So the difference between the bare and the classic is we're going to add mascara to the bottom lashes and we're gonna do more coats on the top. So I'm gonna do the bottoms first and I just kind of lightly touching the bottom lashes. So now you can see the lashes are coated here. It kind of gives me more of an almond shape, but while also still having the eye open. Now we're gonna coat the lashes a couple more times. And here's just a nice classic mascara look. So now last but not least, let's do some bold lashes. So again, taking the L'Oreal Paradise Big Deal Mascara to really get a bold black thick lash, I'm going to be taking this brush and I'm going to brush the lashes down and then back up. I'm getting every single area of each lash and making sure they are extra coated. So as you can see, I just bumped up the boldness of these lashes here, and this is the more classic look. Like I said, I just like to brush down, brush up, just so we're coating every single inch. Do you see how that just makes the eyes pop? If you want, you can take some of this mascara and you can just go at the edge of the bottom lashes, just the edge of the bottom lashes. But I also love only using one mascara to achieve all 4 looks, depending on where I'm going, what I'm doing, and my mood. But this bold lash has to be my favorite. So there you have it. 4 ways to use the L'Oreal Paradise Big Deal Mascara. If you want to learn more about these products and find out where to buy, head over to l'orealparisusa.com. All links will be below. Bye guys.